Now you can use the merge points command to merge two or more points into a single point. So it might be useful if you have duplicate points in your project. So for example, here I have 3 points that look like they're the same shot. I'm just going to select them, and you can see that it's 12, 739 through 41. So on the CAD tab, under this average points, you'll see there's a drop down, and from there you'll be able to pick the merge points command and a couple other commands as well, but let's pick the merge points command here. And you can filter the points by either identical, or you can choose ignored, because we don't want to filter by the ID. But if it was all the same point number, we could filter by identical. But in this case, we're going to ignore that so that it actually displays all the different point numbers, because they're actually collected in a group of points. Now we can choose which one we want to be the final point. So maybe it happens to be this one. Is 41 is the final point, the one that we want to use. You can see the distance between, from those points. And then you can include the ones that you want to include or not include. So if you don't want to merge that one, you can remove it. But I'm going to include them all, and I'm going to click apply. And basically it converts them all into one point, and holding the one that I chose as the one to hold.